Ooh, this brow is off. They're not extra perked, they're actually a little sideways, but that's okay, because life is sideways sometimes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my new tattoo on my face. I'm just kidding. This is not real. I would never get a tattoo on my face, at least not anytime soon. So anyways, you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Christen Dominique. Welcome to my little home on YouTube. So today I'm gonna be doing a full face of using only Milk makeup. I was cleaning out my makeup, reorganizing, and I noticed that I had a ton of Milk makeup. And I noticed that Milk makeup has such cool packaging. Like, it's unlike anything I've ever seen. The highlights, the bronzers, the blushes, they're so different from every other brand. They're really unique. They look like deodorant sticks, to be honest. And I just thought to myself, why don't I ever use Milk makeup? But today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna test myself and try to use the full face of Milk makeup. And I had everything to do this look right here. So we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna show you the good, the scary, and the everything in between for this brand. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so we're jumping right into this tutorial. I actually did my brows off camera. I don't have anything from Milk that is brow related. So I'm looking for primers right now. Milk has some really interesting looking products, almost to the point where it's like, how do I even use this stuff? And I'm gonna be honest, I haven't used a lot of it because I've been like, what? I don't know where to start. Tried a few things. I've tried the blur stick, which I know is really nice. I just noticed I don't have a full-size blur stick, but I do have a mini right here. So we're gonna use this mini blur stick, which is really cute. I haven't used it in a long time, so let's just see if it really blurs the skin. Oh my god, this is so tiny. I feel like the plastic is rubbing on my skin. So we are applying this to our face. It's not soft. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not gonna lie, it feels like play makeup. I'm gonna rub it in with my fingers. Now it smells really great. My skin feels like a baby's, I don't like saying baby's butt. Like, let's not put babies out there like that. It feels like a baby's cheek. It's really soft and almost like velvety feeling, which may be great for foundation. So now I'm gonna take these bigger sticks. This is the Luminous blur stick. I'm gonna use that on the spots where I wanna highlight. The blur actually really intrigues me because I wanna highlight, but I don't want my pores or those textured areas to look even worse. So because it has blur and luminous in it, it makes me feel a little better about putting it on my cheekbones. There we go. And I think it is blurring. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use this right here. Can you blur that out? Am I crazy or is it actually working? I feel like my skin is looking way better and I don't even have makeup on yet. That's amazing. So now let's see how the foundation stands on top of the primer. So for foundation, I have the matte foundation, the Blur Liquid. I'm loving all the blur. Like, give me as much blur as you can. So I'm gonna take this one. This is in the shade medium. So it comes in a squeezy tube and I'm just gonna squeeze it on my face just so I don't get product anywhere else. So we're gonna do that. I like that it's mattifying. We're gonna try something different. I usually use a beauty blender, but today I'm gonna use the Morphe M439 brush for foundation. So let's go ahead and put this on. Ooh, this is really soft. The brush is really soft. I'm curious to see the coverage on this. Okay, right away, I gotta say the coverage. I was actually surprised by the coverage that it gave me. It's almost full coverage. I'd say it's a medium to full. It's not drying down like a super tight feeling matte foundation. This actually feels pretty comfortable on the skin and it looks almost like soft and velvety. I definitely will use this again and I can't believe I haven't used it in the past. It's pretty nice. Okay, so now that the skin is nice and even, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some concealer. The concealer is really interesting looking. No, it's not. Quit lying. The concealer is called the Flex Concealer. It comes in this little tube, which I love. I'm loving these tubes because they're less mess and you can control how much you get out of the tube. Okay, so the tube has an applicator. I was not expecting that. And it's a regular small little doe foot applicator. I'm gonna put that on my under eyes and anywhere that I want to brighten. Never used this concealer before. So I'm gonna conceal with the Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend. And this is like my first time using an actual brush to put on my foundation and concealer. I usually don't go for these, but we're just switching it up a little bit. in today's video. Okay, the concealer isn't as full coverage as I'd like. I'm gonna go back in with some more concealer. It's not bad, it's just not like super full coverage like I would want it. And a tip for you guys, if your concealer doesn't give you the coverage that you want, a trick that you can do is let it dry down a little bit and then go in very super soft with a light hand and just stipple around the concealer until you get the fullness that you want. You see that this one's a little bit more of a full coverage than that side. It has a dewy look to it. It's not super moist looking, but it's dewy and soft, and that's not bad. And I'm building it up, and it's actually building up in a really nice way, so it doesn't look uncomfortably thick or creasy or cakey, which is great. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. For the eyes, we have a few pigments. And I mean, I feel like this is super unique to Milk because I normally don't see eye pigments like this. So they look like this, they're in tubes. I just love the name Milk. I can't drink milk, I drink almond milk, but still, I love the name Milk. It just makes me wanna try it. I feel like we can do the purple first. So I'm gonna lay down the purple with my finger. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, that's intense. I don't want that. I just want like a soft little purple. So I'm gonna pat that on my eye and blend it out with my finger. We're taking it back to the old school days before we had applicators. I like that it's not crazy intense. Like I can still manage how much I want on my eye. Let's put a little bit more. I'm just patting it in there. It doesn't need to have like light or heavy pressure, just pat it. Okay, that does dry down completely, but it gives you enough time to play with it. But like, once it's dry, you can see on my hand, like it's dry, it's not gonna move. So I feel like you can use this as a primer if it was a lighter shade. Now I'm gonna go into the bronze color, which is this one right here. And this is the shade Gig. Yeah, there we go. So it looks like that. And put it right on the center of my eyelid. I actually really like working with these. It kind of takes me back to like my artsy days where I put my fingers in paint and played around a little bit. I'm gonna take a regular brush just to go through it. I'm gonna soften this up. The only thing is, you doing this with your whole eye, you're not gonna have like a crease shade. You're not gonna do anything like that. But if you like that look, you like a very simple, clean eye, I think this would be beautiful. I'm gonna take the bronze and just go down on the lower lash line. It's the eyeliner that I have from Milk. You can tell the color by the bottom, which is really cute. And they're long wear gel eyeliners. On every eyeliner, there's a smudger and sharpener at the end, which is really, really cool. Let's see, what shade do I wanna use? Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a brownish bronze. So I'm gonna add this bronze color right here at the end. I'm gonna use this kind of like an eyeshadow, just right on the outer V, and then work it in with my finger. My eyelids look really creasy and weird. Ooh, I don't know. You let me know what you think about this, guys. I'm gonna take a darker color for eyeliner. I'm gonna take this dark brown shade, it's called CEO, and work it on the lash line. The good thing about these is that they're very silky and smooth. They just glide on the skin so effortlessly. They're just not super pointy, so you have to know where you're going with this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I do not like the way these dry down. It's crusty, it's so crusty, oh my gosh. I'm not happy with this at all. Okay, I don't wanna cheat and put on another eyeshadow, but this is really bad, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this. I will be right back. I'm back, you guys. I'm just gonna go right out and say I had to redo my entire eye makeup and I used less product. I still have streaky spots. The eyelid skin looks so shriveled up and it's not good. I mean, personally, I don't like it. It was a struggle, to be honest. But we're gonna move on to the mascara. The mascara is really interesting because it is made with CBD and it is called Kush Mascara. I've tried this before and I liked it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my eyelashes, and then what I'm gonna do to save this eye makeup look is put on some big fluffy lashes to hide this eyeshadow because I am not proud of it right now. And I didn't cheat, so I did not use any other eyeshadow. I just redid the eyeshadow, put on less, And it's still like, you guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just wouldn't grab this eye pigment again. I would not pick it up. The mascara, I'm not mad at. I think it's great. I like the mascara, but I'm still gonna have to put on some eyelashes because we need help. We need a lot of help. I'm gonna take some Lily lashes. These are the Ella Mink lashes. All right, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna go into the face. We have a matte bronzer in this stick form, which is really interesting. So I'm gonna just see what this looks like. The color's baked. So it looks like this. It's like a deodorant stick looking matte bronzer. And I'm gonna use that to kind of give my face some warmth. Ooh, okay, this feels a lot better than the other sticks because I'm gonna use that to contour. It goes on so soft and smooth. It like glides like butter. Love, love this. Okay, the bronzer is good. I like the bronzer. I'm gonna move on to the highlighter stick, which is the same deodorant stick looking vibe. Here it is. This is Lit. Okay, creamy. Instant creaminess. This I'm gonna use my fingers. I also like this for like a no makeup dewy kind of look. So for blush, it comes in another deodorant stick, and this is the shade Rally. And it says that you can use this on your lips and cheeks. So I'm just gonna use a little bit here and just a little tint there. I like how easily that went into the skin. So the face products, I'm gonna say yes. I will use the face products again. We have a glitter stick, which I wanted to try. So this is the glitter stick. I'm gonna put this on my body just to see how glittery we can, oh. This is a stick of glitter. This reminds me of the glitter that you would play with when you were a kid. Oh my God. It doesn't move around the skin very easy, so we're just gonna put that back. Now I'm gonna go into the lipstick. The lipstick that I have here is the Wavy lip color, and it is a brown lip. So this has a really nice shape on it. I feel like it's gonna fit on my lip perfectly. And then I'm gonna pick up Low Key and put that on the, just right on top, just because this one's a little too dark. All right, the lip color is really nice. I like how it applied. I like that there's a point so you can kind of guide the lip line. All right, so here is the translucent setting powder right here, and it just comes in this simple packaging. You open it and there's a little gray sponge right here, and then you can open it again and there is the powder. So I'm gonna take the sponge and we are going to bake our face. I mean, not bake, but we're gonna set with this little sponge. I normally would never do this, but you know, we're testing out it. The last final touch are these stamp eyeliner. So I have a star, a peace sign, and a heart, and we are doing the final touch to our full face of Milk makeup. And I'm gonna choose the heart because the heart is the cutest. Where should we put the heart? I'm gonna put the heart over here. Cute. Oh my God, this is adorable. If they made different colors, that would be really cool. Okay, so my final thoughts on the Milk makeup. I think the packaging is really cool. It's very unique. I think some of their products are great. Mostly their face products are really good. So I would use their products again for like an everyday kind of look, a no makeup look. They're perfect for that. The concealer I wouldn't use again just because it wasn't going on very smooth and even. It was very streaky. I had to keep reapplying it. And the eye pigments I would never touch again unless they reformulated their eye pigments. I really didn't like it. I mean, it just didn't look right. But I would use the lips again. I would use the face again. And the glitter sticks, I probably would never use again either, unless I was using them to, I don't know, for a Halloween costume for my little sister. I don't know. But anyways, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't checked out my videos on the side, go ahead and check them out because they are waiting for you to watch. Before I let you go, I do want to let you know that you are special. There's nobody like you, and you continue to be weird and silly and just yourself as usual. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.